In this video, we're going to be unboxing the new LiTime 12 volt 50 amp Bluetooth lithium battery, and we're going to be installing it in my new native Watercraft hammer fishing kayak. Hey guys, it's Brody and welcome back to the Ambitious Angler Fishing YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to say welcome, but if you have been following along for a while, welcome back. I do a few unboxings on this channel, particularly in the fishing gear that I believe in and that actually fits organically into my style of fishing. And just before we get this unboxing started, I want to say how excited I am to officially announce my partnership with LiTime Outdoors. LiTime is a company that specializes in lithium iron phosphate batteries designed for outdoor adventures and off-grid power. Their products are built for applications such as kayak fishing, boating, RVs, camping, solar power systems, home backup power, golf carts, and more. Their goal is to provide lightweight, long-lasting, reliable power so that way people don't have to worry about their batteries when they're spending more time outdoors. Now, this is my very first partnership on the channel. Now, I'm pretty picky when it comes to partnering with certain companies, and I really wanted something that was organically going to fit in my style of fishing on this channel, which is mostly kayak fishing. And I'm officially offering you guys 8% off on your next LiTime battery order if you guys are interested. There's no pressure at all, but if you do want to check out their products, I'll leave a link to their website below, and if you use code AAF8, you'll save yourself 8%. Like I said, no pressure at all, but I'm offering you guys this discount. Thanks so much, and let's get this battery unboxed and officially installed in the native Watercraft hammer. All right, folks, so first thing in the box, we have the LiTime manual that comes with the battery, and it also comes with a quick start guide. 5-year warranty on these batteries. And they also have a QR code to scan, so that way you can download their application on Android devices and Apple devices. And this app will let you connect to the battery via Bluetooth to check your actual battery percentages as you're using it on the water. It also comes with some attachments for the top of your battery connections. Now, let's open up and see. This is a sharp looking battery. They also have the QR code on top of the battery right here to download it on the Google Play Store or App Store. So what we're gonna do is scan the QR code right here, and we're gonna officially download this application through the Google Play Store. So we're gonna open up the application here, put in your email, get the code sent to your email, and then you're gonna be able to set up your password to get into the LiTime app. But since I'm already registered, I'm just gonna log in myself. Now, once we get to the main screen, I'm gonna click Add Device, and you can scan the QR code on the actual battery. And we're gonna do it right here, just like so. Now it's connecting. Now let's check the details. Now, as you guys can see inside the application, we do have 48% left in the battery as far as charge goes. It shows you your voltage, your current, your power, the capacity. It shows you your balance, your cells, your BMS, your temperature, your cycle times, firmware version of BMS, firmware version of Bluetooth. And here's our battery on our devices list right here, so you can kind of see. You'll also see on the bottom we'll have system, where you can actually add another battery system. You'll also have discovery at the bottom, where it just has more community participation challenges that you can actually participate into. It also has tutorials in here for anybody that needs a little bit of help with their battery system. And in the bottom right corner it says Mine, and this is where you're going to be able to check for your updates. You'll also be able to register your warranty. Then you can just fill out these slots and submit it, and then you're covered for 5 years. Now, you guys may have already wondered, does the LiTime batteries actually come with a charger, because I didn't unbox it. And they are actually sold separately from the batteries on the website. I do have one, however, because I have purchased a LiTime battery in the same voltage as this one, and we're going to be using that to charge this one and my LiTime 12 volt 100 amp as well, just so that way you guys are aware of that. Now, if you guys own a kayak, a dinghy, any kind of watercraft, and you're using LiTime Outdoors to power your boat in terms of motors or electronics, can enter into their Go Electric Season 2 event, which is going on right now, and you could be one of 79 winners sharing a $20,000 prize pool. And you can find that in the application under the Discovery tab on the bottom. You'll see Go Electric Season 2 right here. Just click on that and you can see the details of the contest. Okay guys, let's get this install started, and I'm gonna install this battery in 2 different ways, where it's gonna be able to power my fish finder electronics and also my Minn Kota Terrova trolling motor. Let me show you how I'm gonna do it. So first we're gonna take these caps off the top of the LiTime battery, and we're gonna open up our little case here of our attachments. Now there are 2 protective caps to put on each color code of negative and positive. Now let's open up the hatch on the native Watercraft hammer, and I'll show you my current installation with the 12 volt 100 amp and how I'm going to replace that with the 12 volt 50 amp that we just got today. So here is my current installation, the 12.8 volt 100 amp battery. And this battery here powers my Minn Kota Terrova Riptide 55 pound thrust. So starting from the top, my Minn Kota Terrova will go here at the bow, and then I plug it into an Anderson connector port. And this runs underneath the hull, underneath my hatch, and I have it coming out another Anderson connector port right here, and then the wires come up into a 50 amp breaker from Red Wolf, and then that connects to my LiTime battery. So first installation is going to be quite easy because I already have this all set up for it, but I do want to show you guys how the 12 volt 50 amp fits in the native Watercraft hammer, just to give you guys any reference in case you guys actually have this kayak. So let's take out the 12 volt 100 amp, and we're going to put in the 12 volt 50 amp. And as you guys can tell, it fits really nicely and compact in this actual transducer section of the native Watercraft hammer. And all we will have to do is take our caps off, unscrew our positive leads and our negative, and then we'll take our positive and our negative. And then for securance, obviously with the native Watercraft hammer, we're going to be using the straps that they come with at the front. And this will secure our battery down in place, so that way it doesn't move around. Just like so, nice and secure. So I'm actually going to set up the Minn Kota Terrova Riptide, and we're going to power it using this right now, just to kind of give you guys a demonstration. Okay folks, now for installation number 2, we're going to be taking the 12 volt 50 amp LiTime battery, and I'm going to be powering my Lowrance HTS7 fish finder. Now for my current power setup on the Lowrance HTS7 Live, I have the power cable running down through a through-hole wiring kit through this Access E-plate on the native Watercraft hammer, and I have the power cables coming out another through-hole access kit here. And I've got the power cable, and the power cable runs into this fuse and then down into a Naqua Power Pro battery here. This one here is a 20 amp. Now what I'm gonna do is unscrew the port end off of the Naqua Pro battery, and we'll set that aside for now. And I had some extra female ends right here, so what I did was expose some of the wires. Now what I did was I went out to my local hardware store and I got myself some 14 gauge wire. And what I'm gonna do is make the connection from this female end to both of these wires, and then I'm gonna attach a ring terminal to the other end of the wire, which is going to attach to our battery. And I'm going to make this connection doable with some heat shrink butt connectors. Give these a nice twist to make them nice and straight through the butt connector. Do that to both of them. There we go. So these are white and black wires. The white wire is actually positive in this case. Cut off some of these ends, are a little bit long. And then we'll take the negative part of the 14 gauge wire, stick that in, crimp this together. Now we have a secure connection. We'll do the same with the other one. Stick the positive wire, stick that in, crimp that together. We have our connection made. Now before I do anything else, I'm going to take these ends and put on some terminals, and then we'll connect them to the battery, and then we'll do a test before we do any kind of heat shrinking. So the ring size for these terminal ends for the LiTime batteries is a 5/16. You can get away with a 3/8 as well. Just make sure they match the gauge of the wire here. Squeeze this down. I'll take another terminal end, apply that on here. Okay, so now that we're all connected, let's remove the old battery cables from the LiTime battery and connect our new cables and see if they work. We're just gonna take these ones off. Now remember, these are what's powering the trolling motor, these cables here particularly. We'll just leave these barren and alone for now. Now we're gonna take our new cables and put these directly onto the ports. Now these cables here are not going through a breaker, just to kind of keep in mind. All right, so let's make the connection with those butt ends. Now the moment of truth. Will it power on? We have power, guys. Installation complete. All right, guys, that concludes our unboxing and installation of the 12-volt 50-amp LiTime battery. These two installations will cover my trolling motor setup and my fish finder setup. I'm looking forward to getting out on the water and using these batteries to power my fishing trips. If you guys are interested in these batteries, like I said, I'll leave a link in the video description below. And if you use code AAF8, you'll save yourself 8% on your next purchase. Until next time, guys, stay determined to cast because you are destined to catch. Take care.